Okay, from our A-frame tutorial, you already have a sign-in with Glitch, and we're going to use Glitch again to serve our project code and serve our project. So go to Glitch and create a new project, and we want just a normal hello web page. And it'll take a second to load up for us. And in the side, we want to go into HTML, index.html. And so what we want to do is let's get rid of everything inside the body, right? So I have nothing inside these two body tags. This is start tag, the end tag. And let's get rid of the head tag. We only have these two, title and this meta char set. And let's change this hello to location based AR. Yay! That's what you see in the in your tabs is what that title is. So now we have just a nice clean setup here of a blank web page, and we are going to. I provided you a download, right? A code text document. And so let's go to the first thing here and let's cut and paste it and let me explain to you what it is. So let's make sure. Now make sure you're putting these inside the head here. Notice how I always keep things aligned to show the nesting, right? See what's in what. This first one, we're loading a version of A-frame, and we're loading a specific version of A-frame, 0.9.2. I believe when we did the A-frame other video, we used 1.0.4, the newest version, but the AR.js is dependent on this specific version. And then we're loading the script that is the AR.js. And there's two versions of AR.js, one that works with something called 3.js and one that works with A-frame. So we're loading the A-frame version. And where are we loading them from? They're on these other servers, right? aframe.io, raw.githack.com, right? These are where these things exist. Okay, that's great. We've got our scripts loaded, our main scripts. But let's go look in our sheet. And next thing I have for you is something you already have this body tag, but we want to do a little something to help out the AR and the way the page presents itself. So I want you just to copy this and replace this body opening tag with this one. And what this is doing, this will kind of keep it kind of clean here. That's all that'll do. Don't worry about that too much. Okay, so now if you remember in A-frame, the key to A-frame was that we had to create a scene first, and this is no different in this context. So right over here, the next thing to cut and paste is this A scene, and looking at what we have, these are HTML attributes, and so we're telling it, right, not to load it in VR mode because we're going to be in this AR magic window mode. It's going to be an embedded scene, and as far as AR.js is concerned, we need it to use a webcam, and we're turning off this debug UI, which isn't very helpful even when it's on. And then we make sure that we close the tag. So now we're going to be writing things inside here that we're putting inside the scene, but actually we're also going to be writing some things outside of this scene.